Oil prices hit their highest in 8 months on Tuesday, buoyed by the dollar nearing 1 month lows and by falling Nigerian oil output after a spate of attacks on infrastructure. Brent crude futures were up 36 cents on the day at $50.91 a barrel, by 13:39 GMT, having hit an intraday peak of $51.30 earlier in the day, their highest since October. U.S. crude oil futures gained 32 cents to trade at $50.01 a barrel, having touched a fresh 2016 peak of $50.37, the highest also since October last year. The price of oil has nearly doubled since January, when it hit its lowest since late 2003, boosted largely by a spate of unplanned outages that have eroded production in Canada, Venezuela, Libya and Nigeria, along with a steady decline in higher cost U.S. shale output. Yet analysts say the rally may entice some shale production back online, potentially damaging the prospects for a major sustained price rise. According to reports, Nigeria's Bonny Light crude output is down by an estimated 170,000 barrels per day, following attacks on pipeline infrastructure. Oil, along with the rest of the commodities complex, has also been supported by a weaker dollar. U.S. commercial crude oil inventories fell by 3.5 million barrels last week, marking a third straight weekly drop, a preliminary Reuters poll showed. The data by the American Petroleum Institute (API) is due out at 20:30 GMT today. And now the Nigerian stock market has continued a decline trend, as declined by 0.45% to close trading yesterday. The market capitalization, which opened at 9.479 trillion naira, decreased by 43 billion naira to close at 9.436 trillion naira yesterday. Similarly, the all-share index depreciated by 123.06 or 0.45% to close at 27,475.48 on Tuesday. Analysts at Meristem Securities Limited attributed the losses recorded, yesterday to a rebirth of negative sentiments from investors following the gains accumulated during bargain hunting activities. Market breadth strengthened when compared to previous day, with 16 stocks advanced against 27 declining stocks. Owando led the gainers table with 10.16% to close at 6 naira 72 kobo per share. NEM Insurance followed with a gain of 5% to close at 84 kobo, while Namath advanced by 4.88% to close at 86 kobo per share. Unity Bank gained 4.17% to close at 1 naira, and Honeywell Flour appreciated by 3.59% to close at 1 naira 73 kobo per share.